The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Foxmind. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad.
I'm Micah the Daughter.
And today we are unboxing Manhattan.
Yes, it is by Foxmind Games.
Yes, this
And it is a choking hazard, which you don't normally see on game boxes. I feel like you don't. I feel like that's common sense, but this is a choking hazard.
Well, I don't know. I guess when you lose, you can say, that there was a choking hazard if you were like way in the lead. I don't know.
Yeah.
This is actually a reprint. This game had been out for quite a while and been out of print, so Foxmind has brought it back.
Is that because the Angels took Manhattan? Is that why I had to come back?
The Angels took Manhattan. Oh, it might be. I don't know. It does look kind of like a psychedelic party going on there.
There's a dog.
Is that a dog or a cat?
It looks like a dog.
Or is
like
it
a chihuahua.
Maybe it's a demo dog.
That'd be bad then.
All right, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, as I'm looking at this, I don't see any angels on here.
I don't know. I did notice this, the Spiel des Jahres of 94. That's kind of interesting.
Yeah, this, like I said, this game is kind of an older game.
Is it a reprint?
Yes, this is a reprint. So you can see.
That's kind of interesting,
right
though. 94, I wasn't even born then.
You young.
It was before my time. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. This has kind of a glossy finish again. It makes it hard to open up boxes.
Alrighty. So there's our rule book.
It's pretty good size. It fits the box. Lots of pictures.
Yeah. Looks like it's pretty easy to follow.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool. Different languages. So you go into French.
Oh, yeah. But all in the same book, so that's
Yes.
kind of nice.
Here we've got a little baggie of things. Take over, let's see. Maybe player cards?
Could be. Now this is a game I know nothing about.
Yeah. It's cool. You've got 4. 2 girls and 2 guys. So that's good.
Okay. Let's take a look at this board here. There's 0 right there.
Interesting.
So
pretty cool looking.
This is supposed to represent Manhattan. So
Very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas looks like.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool.
And score around the outside.
Yeah.
A little legend up here. No, oops, can't really see that.
Let's see, there we go.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Probably for buildings.
Could be for the height of the buildings.
Oh my god, no. These cubes, they look like what I did in math in like 2nd grade.
Oh, like
These
counting
look
cubes?
like school cubes.
Oh yeah, the purple.
Look.
Oh, and they stack. Oh, those are cool. And look at the design
like little
of those.
windows.
So let's see if you can. Can we get a
think-
close up on that?
Yeah, I think these might be your
Let's see.
buildings.
Yeah. See, they kind of like etched.
Yeah, so you've got different sizes, but yeah, they look like
So then they
counting
just
cubes.
go together like Legos.
So yeah, so you've got little ones, and then you've got that size.
So you've got blue, you've got purple, you've got orange, and you've got yellow.
They're
And
really cool.
it's kind of neat because they've got these set up so they can easily just slide back. Well, I thought I got it the wrong
You did
direction.
it the wrong way. You probably did something wrong.
Probably.
Like that.
There we go.
You just didn't have it in right. Oh, and then there's a black one in the middle. Just that little one.
Ooh, I wonder what that's for.
I don't know. You'll have to read the rules and figure it out.
Now this is a game that, like I said, I hadn't actually heard of, but my good buddy Dave Taylor from To the Table and my Dad versus Daughter, Dad Dave and the Elephant co-star, he is very familiar with this, and when he heard about the reprint, he's like, you gotta check this out. So
It looks really cool.
that is why, because this is going to be one that we are going to feature on Dad Dave and the Elephant at some point. Okay, so I'm going to show you the cards here. So
It's pretty cool.
I wonder if this is where you're actually going to be building in a certain quadrant.
Might be interesting. So like bars, like pool, fitness club maybe. Kitten. It's kind of cute. I like the artwork on these. Aquarium, golf
There
place.
should be basically 9 different ones here then.
Looks like apartments or something. Tech center.
Nightclub.
Nightclubs. There you go.
Boogie Nights.
What's that? That looks like one on the back one. Pretty cool.
You can see
The
the
artwork's cool.
back of the cards. So I don't think this is a difficult game. In fact, this is
It looks pretty easy.
yeah, based on the rule book, it looked pretty
This age
easy.
is 8 and up, so you know if you're kind of going to that lower age group, it might be a little bit simpler.
Yeah.
It looks pretty fun though.
But yeah, I can't wait to check this out.
Yeah.
So that is Manhattan, the reprint, and we'll
Yes.
catch you guys next time.
Bye.
If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.